Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your Wi-Fi is not working in your device Vivo Y15c. So if you are facing problems related to your Wi-Fi, you can fix them all by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if your Wi-Fi is not working.